binansagan ni Lebanese-French musician Omar Harfouch si Miss Mexico Fatima Bosch bilang fake winner ng Miss Universe 2025. Sa isang social media post ni Omar nitong Biyernes ika-21 ng Nobyembre, kung saan sinabi nitong bago pa man magsimula ang Coronation Night ay eksklusibo na niyang idineklara sa American HBO na mananalo umano si Fatima. Aniya, Miss Mexico is a fake winner. Omar Harfouch declared yesterday exclusively on the American HBO, 24 hours before the Miss Universe final, that Miss Mexico would win, because Miss Universe owner Raul Rocha is in business with Fatima Bosquech's father. Dagdag pa niya, all details will be showed in May 2026 on HBO. Raul Rocha and his son urged me, week ago in Dubai, to vote for #Fatima Bosch because they need her to winner because it will be good for our business, they said to me. Si Omar ay nakatakda sanang maging hurado para sa naturang kompetisyon ngayong taon ngunit nagbitiw 2 araw bago ito isagawa.